In this video, let's talk about point number 3, perimeter and area of 2D geometric shapes. So in this one, we have mixed figures. So first, let's talk about question number 52. In this figure, what type of shape do you see overall? This is a parallelogram. What is it? A parallelogram. Okay. Now, what is the formula to find the perimeter? The perimeter is sum of all sides. So this plus this and this plus this. Okay, opposite sides are equal. If this is 20, then what about this side? This will also be 20. This is 6, so the remaining here will be 14. Well, we don't need this information right now. And what about this side? In this case, we don't know this side, right? So first we will have to find this. So let's find this. So this is a triangle inside of this parallelogram. This angle is 45. So if you remember, if you have a triangle and this is the angle, then the opposite side, this side is opposite, this is adjacent, and this is hypotenuse. Now for this one, tan theta is equal opposite over hypotenuse. This we have studied in the previous term. So in this case, tan 45 degree equal opposite we don't know, so let's take x over adjacent here how much? 6. So 6. Tan 45 degree is 1. Tan 45 degree is 1 equal x over 6. Do the cross product. This 6 will go this side. So x is equal 6 multiply 1, 6. So after doing all this, what we got? We got x equals 6. What does it mean? This height is 6, right? Now if this height is 6 and this is 6, you can find this one, 6 square plus 6 square. So when you solve this, you will get square root 6 square plus 6 square, and you will get 6 square root 2. You will get 6 square root 2. This side is 6 and this is also 6 square root 2, right? So in the exam, if you have to write steps, then you will have to write like tan 45 degree is equal, this was let's say x over 6, and from here you got x is equal 6, and this is using Pythagorean theorem. Okay, now the real question will begin. Okay, I hope you understood this. Now what is the perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all side. Sum of all side. So 2 times 20, right? Because this and the same, so this is 2 times plus 6 square root 2. This and this 20 plus 20 plus 6 square root 2 plus 6 square root 2. So basically 2 times 20 plus 6 square root 2. Now you can just simply put in the calculator and that will give you, wait a second, 2 times 20 plus 6 square root 2 brackets closed, you will get 40 plus 12 square root 2 meter. Okay, the unit will be meter. Okay, now next we have to find the area. So area of a parallelogram is what? The area of a parallelogram is base multiply height. Base multiply with height, right? So how much is height here? The height is 6, and how much will be the base? The base is this and this will be same. So this 20, so this will also be 20. So base multiply height, and that will give you 20 multiply 6, overall 120 meter square. So that will be your perimeter and area. Okay, In the options, you will check what is the similar option. If they take any common factor here, then simplify this further. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Now the next question is 53. In this question, I have to find the perimeter of, first, do I need to find the perimeter area of each parallelogram, triangle, or composite figure? Okay, so in this one, I have to find the perimeter of this, right? Triangle, because it said parallelogram, this one, triangle is this one. Now, what about this? So this is given 29. What is perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all side. What is perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all side. So if I'm only finding out the perimeter of this, it means this 29 plus this height plus this height. Now how will I find out this one first? To find this side first, I will do the Pythagorean theorem. Square root, this is your adjacent, this is your opposite, this is your hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. So to find the opposite, this will do hypotenuse square minus adjacent square. Remember? So that will give you hypotenuse is 18 square minus 13 square, and this will be square root 18 square minus 13 square will give us 12.44, or it is giving a square root of 155, so 12.44. So this side is coming as 12.4. So it is asking to the round to the nearest tenth, but right now I'm taking 12.45 actually. 12.45. Okay, now what about this side? How will I find this one? To find this one, again square root. This we got 12.45, and this time this is 29. So let me take this side is how much? This side is 12.45. This side is 29. Now in this right angle triangle, this is opposite, this is adjacent, and now this is hypotenuse. To find this, opposite square plus adjacent square. I'm doing it very slowly, so if you think it is slow, you can move fast button and you can listen it fast, okay? So yep, hypotenuse is equal square root 12.45 square plus 29 square. Okay, let's solve this. Square root 12.45 square plus 29 square, and that is giving us 31.56 millimeter, okay? And this is also in millimeter. Okay, now the real question will begin. Now the real question is what? Find the perimeter, right? So let's find the perimeter here. Perimeter is sum of all the side. So this is 12.45 plus 31.56 plus 29. So 12.45 plus 31.56 plus 29, and that is giving us 73.01. So 73 is approximately 73 millimeter is your answer. 73 millimeter is the perimeter for this triangle. Now if it asks, for this complete one, then how you will do it? Then it is very easy. This side is 18, 29 plus 13, that is 42. And what you will do now? Now in this case, this is your, let's say, opposite, and this is your hypotenuse, and this will be your adjacent. Okay, because this is the longest side in this triangle. And now in this case, that will be 42 square minus 18 square. If it asks this one, then it is very easy. Okay, you don't have to find all the sides. Okay, now what about area? Now area is, this was how much? I forgot. I cannot go back now. Let me just see. This was 12 point something, right? Okay, I forgot this because I erased. So what I'll do now, I'll do it fast quickly. This I calculated square root 18 square minus 13 square. So that was square root 18 square minus 13 square. 12.45. Yes, 12.45. Okay, now we will find the area of a triangle. That is very easy. Area of a triangle is base multiply height divide 2. The base is 29. The height is 12.45 divide with 2. So 29 multiply 12.45, and that is divide by 2. So this is giving us 180.525. So 100.5, 180.5 millimeter square. That is your answer. Okay, so this is how you solve. I know this video is getting a bit longer, but stay with me. If you think it's easy, then you can fast forward. But if you think it's difficult for you guys, slow it down and listen it again. Okay. Question number 54. Now this is a composite figure. How many figures do you see here? First you see a parallelogram, and then you see a triangle here. A parallelogram and a triangle, right? Okay, in a parallelogram, opposite side equal. So this is 39, this is 39. This side I don't know. And how will I find? I know this triangle. In this triangle, this side is given and this side is given, right? So this side will be how much? This side will be, it's a hypotenuse, is equal to square root 37 square plus 24 square. How do I know it's a hypotenuse? Because it's the longest side. If I look directly, it is looking at longest side. So square root 37 square plus 24 square is equal 44.1021. So let's take 44.1, and that is in centimeter. Now this is 44.1, so this will also be 44.1. And now it's very easy, right? The perimeter is sum of all side. So the perimeter, in this case, the perimeter is sum of this plus this and this and this. So this is, I'm starting from here, okay? 39 plus 44.1 plus, this is 39 plus 24. So 39 plus 24, 39 plus 24 plus 37. Plus 37. That is your perimeter. Okay, so just add them all. Let me do it. 39 plus 44.1 plus 39 plus 24 plus 37, and that is giving me 183.1 centimeter. So that is your perimeter. If I did any calculation mistake, you can write a comment and I will modify that. Okay, I will give you the right answer. So because I'm doing it right now, and maybe if I miss something, there might be a calculation mistake, but I'm trying to make sure there should not be a calculation mistake. Okay, now what about the area? For the area, I will have to find two areas. So I will have to find the area of a parallelogram, and I will have to find the area of the triangle. Okay, so yeah, now we know all the side. So let's try to find the area of parallelogram for this first. Okay. So let's make the area of this first parallelogram, and this is area of parallelogram is equal length multiply width, right? Okay, we yes. So area of height. Okay, so let's continue. Sorry for interruption. Okay, in this one, first we have to find the area of parallelogram and then area of triangle. So for area of parallelogram, this is the height and this is the base. Okay, the area of parallelogram is base multiply height. Base is 39, height is, this is 37, so this will also be 37. 39 multiply 37 will give you 39 multiply 37 will give you 1443 centimeter square. So that is the area for this parallelogram. Now area for triangle. Area for triangle is base multiply height divide 2. Now base is, look at this triangle here. Now here the base is 37, height is 24, divide 2. So 37 multiply 24 divide 2 will give us 444 centimeter square. Now the total area is the sum of this. Okay, the total area is sum of parallelogram and triangle. So what will I do? Total area is, I don't have a space here, so I'm writing here on the top. The total area is area of parallelogram plus area of triangle. So this is 1443 plus 444, and that will give us plus 1443 1887 centimeter square. That is your final answer. So that's it for this video. I hope you understood. If there is a problem, please watch the video again, and if there is a error, write down in the comment box. That's it. See you in the next one.